So we've been using the StairVac system from Crescent for just over a week now, and it has really helped. It's a great innovation, handy piece of kit. We've been able to reduce the need to sweep, near enough eliminating it, and it's really removed the fine particles of dust, which is the difficulty when it comes to sweeping. Literally, you can tell the difference as soon as you walk in. So my name's Chris Clark, I'm the logistics manager for Clipfine, and today we're at 20 Carlton House Terrace. I think on a lot of buildings there's not always a generator in that location or on every floor. So to get a vacuum in the stair core is usually quite difficult. So what people tend to do is sweep, and we try as much as possible to reduce the need to sweep, because obviously the dust, you can only get so much dust up when you're sweeping, and dust tends to go up in the air and stuff like that. And using water is also can be a slip hazard as well. So yeah. Well, it's one of the areas where people use on a daily basis. You have consistent people walking up and down all day long, so it's really important that the dust levels are maintained and controlled in the course. It's one of the places where trip hazards are more than likely to happen, so it's one of the most important things to make sure that the floor is clear of all trip hazards. So the vacuum itself is positioned on the lowest floor. It's connected via, I think it's a 32 amp extension lead, and then we have the hose which runs from the ground floor or the lowest floor all the way up to the top floor, and that is connected to a scaffold tube, and then from there on every level you have an outlet which you connect the hose to, and then you vacuum that floor. When you're finished vacuuming that floor, you will unplug it, you go up to the next floor and you plug it in there. So it's very portable, there's not much equipment you have to carry up the stairs. Yeah, it's working very well. I would definitely recommend the StairVac system. I think it could be used globally. I think it's a great piece of innovation, and especially for buildings which have many floors. So we've got 14 floors, and it works very well on level 10, just as well it works on level 1. So I think, yeah, especially for buildings that may have 30 stories, it's a great quick way of vacuuming each floor, and all you have to do is carry around the hose, which is very helpful. So we've tried other cleaning systems such as the backpack vacuums. What we tend to find is the suction isn't very great, and also the battery doesn't usually last that long. So I think that's the only other real option that we have when it comes to vacuuming the stair core, if we don't have enough transformers to use an in-class vacuum. I would definitely work with Crescent again. Very reliable, and they've given us this great opportunity to try out this piece of equipment, which we appreciate, and I would definitely recommend it.